Good day. I'm just making this video clip to help people to download Epidata when you're using a Windows computer, especially if you've got Windows 10 or more recent operating system. There is a certain security inbuilt by Windows from Windows 10 onwards, whereby you may only normally install software that is bought at the Microsoft shop. So we have to show you how to disable that. So I'm going to use screen share in order to make this video. And off we go. So this is what you're seeing on your Windows computer. And we'll start off by enabling the download of installations that aren't purchased in the Microsoft shop. So you come down here to the start, click on the start, and then you come down to the settings, click on settings, then you scroll down here till you get to apps, then you go to apps and features. You see here it says install apps only from the Microsoft Store. You want to click here and change that. So you're going to say you can install apps from anywhere. If you're uncomfortable with leaving it there, you can always come back after the installation and turn it back to Microsoft only. So that's what you do in order to enable the download, the first step. And the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to just going to minimize that indicator and minimize that. We're now going to go to Firefox, and we're going to find the software and install the software. So I'm just going to type in here Epidata download so that we can find the site. I go straight to the Denmark one. You've got a link, I think, in the course. And you'll get this page, Epidata software download. Scroll down here. Because you're using Windows, you use the all-in-one installer. Epidata actually consists of 3 different programs, but they work in tandem. They work together. It's like a puzzle. So you've got Manager, you've got Entry Client, and you've got Analysis. So if you do all-in-one installer, which you can do if you've got a Windows computer, then you can click here on all-in-one installer. And first of all, it says file not downloaded because it's being blocked. Just click on this arrow and say allow the download. And you can see here the progress of the download up here on the right up-hand corner. It usually doesn't take very long. It's not a very big software package, but of course it depends on the speed of your connection. This one's going quite quickly. And we're not out of the woods yet, because now there it is, it's been done. We can actually come here, and there we have the setup all in one, and we can now just click on that and say open it. And by the way, Norton, I've got Norton is telling me that it's a safe file, and you can click on that to initiate the installation. I'm going to get rid of this screen. We don't need it at the moment. If it doesn't work straight from there, what you can do is you come back here to the Start program, and you go to Documents, and you go to Downloads, and you'll find the setup here. I think something's happened. So it'd say, do you want to allow this program? And I say, yes, I do want to. and I say I accept the agreement, and I'll accept where it's going to post it, and there's all the different little packages it's going to install, and I say next. That's fine. Next. Create a desktop shortcut. Absolutely. Next. And install it. And there you are. You see the shortcut appeared on your desk. Up here we've got the manager. There we've got the client, the entry client for data entry. And if you want to use the analysis package, then it also has the analysis package here. So that's all. It's done. As simple as that. Now, if you want to, you can always go back and turn on that restriction that only software from the Microsoft Store may be installed from here onwards if you want to. But remember, you're going to have to disable it as well for the data download. So that's basically how you go ahead and get your Epidata. If you're still running into problems, think about some of the possible causes. You might be using a work computer and there's a firewall. In that case, ask your IT to come and allow. They will fiddle with it and they will allow you to do the download. Another problem might be Microsoft Edge, which is now coming into full force, and Microsoft Internet Explorer is now being phased out, and it's only Microsoft Edge from now on. It has a lot of very strict security features, and one of them might block the downloading and installation of outside software. So you could try installing, download and install Firefox, for example. I use Firefox. It's free, and then you can use Firefox for the download and install if you think that Microsoft Edge is giving you trouble. The other thing you could try and do as a last resort is momentarily, just while you're doing the download, turn off your antivirus software, because that may also be blocking the importation of software from Epidata site. So that's all I wanted to say. I'm going to stop the sharing now, and hope you have no problems with the downloads.